How about read the big chart and the second? And then read.
Albert, sit on the chair and read. Albert, em have it first. Albert.
And the book, and the book, and the book.
Albert, đang đọc sách mà sao dọn dẹp hết vậy? Anh bé nó lại đọc sách.
Stew. Not a mashed potato like my uncle's stew. I'm a cow potato. Oh yeah, it's true. My favorite place to slouch is on the couch. I spend my free time.
Not basic. Ok, vậy thôi. The cow's potato đi.
Stop. Okay, stop.
The cow's potato.
Can you read the dog? No dog, okay.
The cow's potato. Okay, give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. Okay, give it to daddy.
The little key bedtime adventure. Little bear's bedtime adventure. Why, Edward? Why? What do you want to do? You want to draw a picture? Okay. You want daddy draw a mountain? Mountain, okay.
Okay, read the good night one.
Mountain.
Bắt vừa bé như vậy đó. Đâu có cao như vậy. Too high. Té giặt mặt bây giờ. Chưa tới Halloween mà sao nó lại giống như là Halloween vậy mọi người.
Daddy drawing a big mountain.
Albert, what did you say? You said it's a big mountain. What? What is it? What animal is it? Pig. Okay. What animal is it? Giraffe. Okay. Albert. Okay. Albert, where is lighthouse? Where is lighthouse? Lighthouse. Ủa, lighthouse lớn tiếng ghê chưa? Albert, where pumpkin? Where pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Scare pumpkin.
Oh, where is it? Where's monkey? Monkey right there. Where ducky? Ducky đâu?
One draw tree.
Okay.
Tree.
Okay.
Green.
Tree.
For tree. You paint.
But color the tree. Can you color the tree? Oh, that's alligator. Green. Color the tree. Yes. Cái chân nó bỏ miệng ăn nha. Help, daddy help kìa.
Paint the tree. Green. You draw the first one.
Both of you color the tree and the color gì đó and the color pumpkin and the color pumpkin red color. Albert, where doggy?
Dài, đi ngồi đâu? Ai cho
Chucky kêu sao? Chucky kêu sao? Chucky kêu sao? Con nói đi. Ew, see? Mami nói rồi. Green, con tôm màu green thôi. Trời ơi, three of you
Tree.
ruining the wall in the house.
There's a tree under the mountain.
Trời ơi.
Tree. Tree.
Hỏi con color cái tree ở dưới đi. The bottom, can you color at the bottom?
Tree. You're gonna be on the top tree. Too high. Too high.
Trời ơi cao quá.
Too high. Too high. No.
Trời ơi. Trời ơi phá nè. Phá để có chuyện mua sơn tường nè mọi người. Tại sao Home Depot vào? Tại vì đây Home Depot vào phải có lý do chứ.
Là cho con là nghệ sĩ.
Nghệ sĩ đó. Nghệ sĩ phá banh cái tường luôn. Vẽ banh cái tường luôn.
Chúng ta là những Picasso
artist. Picasso là trừu tượng lắm, này là nhìn biết liền. Now he's drawing a mountain.
I'm drawing a tree.
Big mountain. Albert, where's Bunny? Where's Bunny? Bunny đâu? Bunny đâu? Chỉ Bunny coi. Bunny đâu? Show me the bunny. No, don't draw on the chair. Thôi con đừng có draw on the chair nha.
What? It's right.
Hôn em cái Albert. Hôn em một cái đi. Give em a kiss. Albert, give Ander a kiss. Hôn lại. Sao vậy? Em sợ quá em đi rồi. Em sợ con lắm nha. Ander. Con nói Ander don't eat book. Don't eat book. Don't eat it. Do not eat it. No. Albert say no. Don't eat the book. Good. Ai. No.
Right.
Albert, can you count how many fish do you see? How many fish?
1, 2, 3.
3 fish. Do you have Nemo? Nemo, you see Nemo? Nemo fish? Nemo đâu?
Yeah. Fish.
Nemo đâu? Nemo fish đâu?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17 rồi đi nữa. 18, 19, 21.
I'm 32, 33, 34, 35,
Yes. And 26,
26,
27, 28.
8, 39,
What color you like? Yellow.
1, 2,
Yellow.
30. That's right. 31.
What is your
32. No, he eating it. Don't give it to him. Daddy.
On the first page of a story,